The very idea of GMOs is a death knell for biodiversity. Biodiversity means the integrity of life. GMOs mean appropriating life to own it and patent it. And because there are patents related to GMOs, and the only reasons GMOs are being introduced is to own seeds and collect rents and royalties, corporations push the handful of crops that they have genetically modified. So you can see in the last few years, cropping systems have been reduced to corn and soya and cotton and canola, when we have cultivated and eaten thousands of crop varieties and species. The uniformity and monocultures that are being pushed by GMOs are driving out diversity directly, but they are driving out diversity because instead of using less more efficiently, which they always claim, that land we are using more efficiently, they're having to invade the Amazon, they're having to invade the grasslands of Argentina for a very expansive and wasteful agriculture. And when you spray Roundup on Roundup ready crops, you are literally killing food and diversity. When you plant Bt cotton seeds, you are killing the bees and the pollinators and the soil organisms. GMOs are a recipe for ecocide. But they're not just a recipe for ecocide and the destruction of biodiversity, they are also killing our farmers. 284,000 Indian farmers have committed suicide. Most of them in the areas where cotton is grown. 95% of the cotton is now genetically modified, owned and controlled by Monsanto. The farmers are dying because Monsanto is making profits by owning life which it never created but pretends to create. That is why we need to reclaim the seed. That is why we need to get rid of GMOs. That is why we have to stop patenting of life.